Farming across Africa faces a crisis. Farm sizes and soil fertility have declined, while the cost of farm inputs has escalated. Many farmers can't afford to use fertilizer or find that it is no longer profitable because of a persistent decline in soil fertility that lowers their crop yields. Additional changes in climate, particularly more droughts, are putting rural livelihoods in even greater jeopardy. Yet there are effective solutions, as these farmers in Western Kenya are proving. Increased yields, improved soil fertility, nutritious fodder for livestock, and homegrown firewood. These are just some of the benefits of growing fertilizer shrubs using the practice known as evergreen agriculture. Tree species like Gliricidia, Kaliandra, and Lucena tricandra fix nitrogen, grow quickly, and are easy to propagate. The method is straightforward, affordable, and highly beneficial. Before he discovered fertilizer shrubs, Cosmos was struggling to make ends meet. His farm looked much like this.
E thuolo mar higni 5 mokalo, puothani ne ok anyal nyage gimoro amora mar cham. Kata kana atiye to cham ne rema rema. Kendo buya mane twika aparo no nyalo nene. En ma kayongo ni.
Today, things are very different.
Abedo mamor gi duoko masiko kawuok thuolo ka thuolo. Nikech mokwongo kapidhogi to nayudo gunia achiel. Kana chako pitho mar 2, ayudo gunda 5. Kanya pitho higa maluwe mar 3 ni, nyayudo gunda 7. Ni wakauru pur mar Evergreen agriculture wa adopt mondo mi olok kit yuto ma wan go, ofuku wa be peso bedie.
Tree nursery nyaka nachak loso, aseneno ber mang'eny. Asepidhogi gikonyo puotha kamane napidhogi mokwongo, nene rach cham ok ne chieg gae to sani cham chieki. Fodder trees manomiya anyalo tong'o ka yien bachwak. Oboke gigo joma nigi dhok nyiewo, joma nigi diek mag grade nyiewo.
The fodder trees were a good source of protein for the animals, and particularly would help the animals to get more milk. The animal gave 3 liters more per milking.
The use of fertilizer trees is now being scaled up across Kenya. The spread of fertilizer shrubs in farming systems is gaining momentum through training workshops, learning visits, and particularly through NGOs, community groups, and county governments. These evergreen agriculture practices are contributing to rural livelihoods right now and for generations to come.